Hello friends, this is the continuation of our series VB6. Hope you are enjoying this series. In this tutorial, we will learn about handling mouse events in VB6. As we know, VB6 is a powerful language capable of handling many of the events. Mouse events is one of them. These events take place when we move or drag or drop the mouse. So the respective events are mouse move, mouse up, mouse down. In this tutorial we will learn about mouse up and mouse down event in VB6. So let's start by creating a new project. Then our aim in this tutorial is to emulate drag and drop functionality of an image. For that, select an image control, put it in the center, then set its stretch property to true and select a picture from the file system. Here you can see that the image is populated with a picture from the file system. Then click here to go to the code pen. Then inside the events of form 1, click on mouse down. You can see that this event accepts 4 parameters. First is the button, the second is shift. It depicts that whether Control or Alt key was pressed simultaneously with the mouse click, and last two are X and Y coordinates of the mouse. So when we press the mouse, we move image 1 dot move to XY coordinate. So let us run the program using F5. You can see here that when we press the mouse, then the image will be moved there. You can see here when we press the mouse, the image is moved there. So this was the example of mouse down event. Then click here to stop the program. Now from the events pane of form, click on mouse up event. You can see that it also accepts 4 parameters. So when we release the mouse, move the image to the XY coordinate. Then run the program. You can see that when we click the mouse button and when we release it, the image is moved there. So this was the tutorial about mouse events in VB6. Thank you.